Check that one out, fellas. Bought some hubcaps for the new truck.
They're all different colors. Oh. Yeah. He just has like white ones.
Oh, yeah.
And he has a orange one.
Nice, but we can't afford it. We can afford that. That's a beautiful Freightliner.
Never say you can't.
This spot looks like weird.
Tienes zoom down.
Baby, get in front of that tire right there.
Oh my God.
Check out this truck, fellas. There's the wife. You can get in front of that tire.
I can't even get on it. It's too big.
The tire's taller than she is.
I'm bigger. Way bigger than. Let me see you go over there, y'all. Let's
So
see.
we got some nice trucks. Nice trucks.
This one, between this one and that burgundy one over there.
Yeah,
They're both kid roads.
real nice. Oh, shucks.
You ready to cut?
No. So we're here at the Ontario
Convention Center.
Convention Center. We came over here. We met a few YouTubers. Appreciate you guys. I kind of did a drive-by on a couple of you guys, but still appreciate you guys. So we came over here. We bought some hubcaps for the new truck, and now we're heading on home, fellas. Inside there wasn't much of trucks, but it was mainly just jobs and booths, stuff like that. Everybody advertising everything from a truck down to the tires, lug nuts, and everything else. So it was nice just to get out, check out different stuff. But there you guys go. Again, thanks for the subscribers I met today. Thank you for introducing yourselves. I finally got a face to names. Appreciate you guys. So there it is, fellas. All right, if you're out there driving, drive safe, be safe. We'll see you guys on our next video.